MTN Pulse and Show promo no suguso koso. So to me bomodian now any point. By so doing and so better your favorite mashup bundle on star 567 hash and now on the MTN Pulse app. Now on sweat me about the kind and you probably do bit me winning up to 5,000 Ghana cedis, food and shopping vouchers, and I feel lots of data. I shall say from the 1st of October, Nyamea Dumois on the 30th of November in area. So keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse, just be. We're there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Would him say about the best football leagues? We are saying for na baby, baby, I bet me papa na shepan. DSTV na mas oh yeah. Oh. From the best leagues in the world, La Liga, Serie A, Champions League, the Premier League, and the Akanina. Yo. DSTV surely delivers value for your money. DSTV, feel every moment. And I want someone to know. Now, let me tell you, the woman say, hey, Vodafone Red Trader app, no. Makan. Now, me go so kai will say, hey, the partner foundation be so we a business owner. Now, a person who take control of your business there, who stay in control there. You will need the Vodafone Red Trader app. And then we my name is Dai Tobacco. Hold on, Celestina, Celestine Donko. Nukunu. Now, my name is business be a Tia meet Numuna, not transaction be near the idea. Also, Jack, see, Vodafone cash and one I'm there, and I'm saying, says will be who say, and I say, and I'm so, and yet, it's a woman who say at the end, my main saying, introduce you a Vodafone Red Trader app no from Mount Canos, and read the now me toy was a born in Chimos. Hey, sir, I would me dear know you way, and I'm saying yes. Abusia, the can't call Google Play Store right now. Abraham Guso Neoka say, net download the Vodafone Red Trader app no from the Google Play Store. Now bet me I enjoy 30-day free trial. And yes, out there phrase 0302 334040 for further information. Now Red Trader app need to me bow. Come out do Juma dear baby. Now, the anancophobia and say me go so cry and war a POS machine be that arm and give me Juma dear. And then I make us way here we now. How different is the Red Trader app from the POS that I already have? Answer in the Wabra all switch to a Red Trader app no. And no boy more to me enjoy and premium product features at low monthly fee. Now Red Trader no. Our upfront setup free access and no bet me abwa. I no unya special hardware requirement bia. What I say me running a very simple on Android mobile device bia and our computer no so. What the empachi. And with the Red Trader app no receipts no me a generate at the mob. Just say obi ababa to ade nya fe na akwa control receipt o. Red Trader app na a bit generate receipt at the amount for the amount straight. What I say from your printer, not just say, oh, I know a bomber who save cost. Pay way now per day. Your friend will be able to add your friend now compare receipt. A friend now quay way. Be any or boom where receipt near what you are there, who call baby. What I say, and your name who person signing up for my own yaha. So them big can no. Net download the Red Trader app no on the Google Play Store. Yes, I did. Call redtrader.vodafone.com.gh. Now I sign up. Na bibia akoye at the amount. Information bia when ya de bia, all you need is the full name of your business. Nafe address of your business. And then or contact information on the account. Simple with them. Simple cry. What I say? Eti twatu mi anko enim nemu ye. Afia Brenaso. Say your boyroom na de fella eto asma. And my girl sister son to be a guy. That's not already. Yeah, no tie dwa gum na yakoye anymore. You know what I'm saying? And that's filler baby. Let's go, yeah. Sister son to be a guy.
J.
Or they
the J style.
And put me to say.
Nsuato for my ina. Wa to was a me.
Me. I didn't zoo to send them to me come.
I will nsuato I heard you be home from na won kwa dia wa ye hwede wa.
My den enti me enti dey cry na. And they say dey jama me ba ma je me share singlet nkwa na me.
Cause why I also ban so dressing why I is yenya den. Jama boys they say yenya den. Oh, obede sorry akọ nkwa na say oye wo Instagram. Me nim network kra ni obede assign contract say onye calls de bia bra na ye call. So dey enti bi da. Also dress ya na. Wo dress ye. So here.
Na me ado me fine pa.
Won say so kakra ye toto yi Dansoman Junction
Oh, how dey Hanson Junction on dey there.
There be say brother munyimani. Ah, be it for ya non kasa.
When be yan going ayo.
Because you serious say dey be enso beto ni abeka.
No, you say kromu ye serious.
It's on be say BBC
answer. Na fe na wahu.
Oh, Baba Jerry.
No, we are not serious in this country. No.
So there's a woman.
Me. Makasa, my bre.
Ampo because
Makasa, my bre.
That's why MP no until Hana. MP for Dansuma.
The other when put an name, I think was my brother.
MP Crown.
I think I was driving with my brother and I catch and say, look, because of Saudi wind, a bear then or penny be a dream or mine who say. We need to even expand some of our roads. Share. Na if akosombo kwan so na eba. And oba from Afenya oba ni na masa traffic sound to ayo motor runabout. Meanwhile ekwan down we can na ya ananim ye kwa no I counted more than 8 and yes omu na asaso at a go.
We ba no abetwa.
V84 no. We ba pin one so has a no abetwa nko. E wo mu another one so na sesame. You see what these people are doing.
Also wo mu need traffic so.
Oh need traffic enti ye bre na ye bre on one bi. Enti they will not come and construct the road there want to. They don't think about us. Oh, massa. Oh, because we make us all your politics, but this is it is not NDC, it is not MPP, it is all of them. NDC4 we saw this same thing. P. Now, when they get to the toll booth, they don't pay. Yes, they have money. They have money more than us. But when we get there, we don't have any option.
It's about time. It's about time.
They don't think about us. MPP, NDC, all of them.
All
of them. They don't think about us. So me sometimes I complain and I say I am tired. You see, that's the kind of country we live in, and we are not serious. We are not serious one bit. I get it. I was telling my friends, say, look, motorway no so. Me, if you say me we are not more than, not less than 7 times. Who say, company workers, quite so. Yeah, Juma lay cables, ACC poles, sebe on bed lights up the street lights near them. But on by you know, so 2-3 days and a week. Then it goes off. Ubeko bisano. Yes, I conform the track cables no more be radical. And then they will come back and do the same thing again. So for how long will we continue to do this?
So lady
over and over again. Are we serious? We are not.
When a boy never can hotel system ning edjuma ha. A whole glass nkwa. Yes, nsuo na eyiri nkwa. Because are who?
A system ning edjuma.
Boy, the system is working. The system,
the system is not working 24/7. No, even the system is not working 12 hours.
Maja Japan, most of them guabroche. Most of them ba need traffic more pain and more back.
Then they go.
Come to think of it, I
don't know for them.
In a day, she called Mushio on the ending.
Mrs. Sometimes they are maybe a bed down upon their papa and comfort. Men of Miss before they fix that. And you are so I don't say to your 2 S. I say, how sham them you know what nonsense. You now pile can't tell you. I don't want to hear me. Charlie, it is bad. And you see, it's not good at all.
Says nonsense to be married.
What nonsense? Now who could you have told to use the road? Now what the camp out? That's why I even said it here, because me and you being a catcher me as my account. I saw it with these 2 eyes of mine. They be on now. na me hu a obi ebi no mo 10 use no mo nim ye typhoid da bia de entu du wa no wa so ebo me say sa akra ayi plaza ho na e de na make to no na obi ahwim pom na ne tire pai then they fix their tie no we are wasan kotua to no as an use no dey
akwa beka say twemo o
me kan ansa na omokofa pavement blocks mi san de be hye sam ne mu
why mine na yet we hwemo because you will go your box style go as mama ye ho kire yen this year kan and dey me
ensuo we to how many minutes na ensuo to
2 minutes
ensuo ne start ye no na me wo ayi Malcolm here wa industrial Malcolm here e ho na me wo me drive way me bedu aha no
fefio
and na me park wa pe me guso tika nu man tena kan more than 10 minutes and na ensuo ne teye and look at the place so said the ensuo tiri ton kronkro bi so country be mpo na me call ya na me nya kwampo nkokrom 3 days continuously it was raining sa but enjo me edu ba bi na so ke yensi krom sa na yenko sa me ko just this few minutes and look at the place na ye jire mo panifo titi krom na Charlie, let's forget about this. One way, I'll be calm. Obi be kasa wuwa de. O de fancy ya.
Obi ba ho say, jiska to man na bisansa na ba wen. Why?
Fancy ya. Yes, let me slow down, baby. Let me slow down. It's painful. It's painful. It's very painful. Abusu I am faster than my prosperous on boy now. Feel I no say yeah na Charlie. It's sad. It's sad. Yeah, fast that my Vodafone cash. And they so you see Vodafone cash now. They send this come will be a war. Vodafone cash so I won't yashi. And now you see Vodafone cash. They send this card mobile or any other network so and also won't yashi. A free. So just dial *110# to send cash for free now. Ready? Now yenko yenim. As they do young farmer Woodin say nay new designs pina na ba enti any of yen shops ni na no betimi aba no waba beto design bia pebia antoma bia pebia na ye wa chede ho no a eno so ye betimi e de aka ho e de amount all you need to do is to just pass by na waba beto de na